Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Walmart and you will enter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.